Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I just want you to join me to build this amazing computer. So I'm gonna leave the information of all of these items in the description below. And let's do this together. Appreciate it. If you are new in the channel, don't forget to subscribe for future videos. And don't forget to hit the bell for future notification. Thank you very much, and I would appreciate a thumbs up. I appreciate it, the support, and thank you very much. But also you can see the logo, the Ninja logo on the right side of the case or the tower. And this amazing tower is made with premium steel with a sleek H series design. Also come with a tempered glass showcase, custom RGB lighting. And let me tell you something that I really like the most, and is that you can manage the lighting with a software called KRAKEN. With that software you can customize pretty much all the RGB lighting inside of your case, but depends of what you have installed. So with that said, let's jump to the specs. I also want to add this on top support 2 by 140 or 3 by 120 millimeters, and for the rear one support just 1 by 120 millimeters. So that being said, let's take a look at what we have inside of the tower. Okay guys, I will go through now to show you all the parts that I just installed in this tower. To be honest, this is not really the video that I want to show you, but the problem is that I had, like I said in the beginning, I had problem with my camera, with the one I had before, and I have to replace it, so I got a new one. And all the videos that I had building this beautiful tower, I lost it, so I have to start, you know, from the beginning. I'm trying to do the best I can to show you guys what I did, and to bring you just the best I can. The best I can do it right now. So I appreciate the support, guys. I don't stop saying that, and let's go start it. Okay guys, right now we're gonna go through to show you everything that I installed in this amazing PC or amazing tower, whatever you want to call it. All the information that you need, it will be in the description below. So let's start, and I hope you guys like this video. Okay, one thing before I go through everything, I will show you guys something. Let's take the tempered glass off. Okay, I will turn the lights off to dramatic effect because I want to show you something. Give me 1 second. Okay, this is how the motherboard looks when you turn off the by 27 millimeters, and the pump, the size of the pump is 80 by 80 by 52.9 millimeters. It was made with aluminum, copper, plastic, and ultra slow evaporation rubber with a nylon sleeving. The CPU sockets that these pump or this radiator can support is from Intel and AMD. We have a different modes to control the fans, and we have for the fan and for the pump we have silent, performance, custom, and manual. So the LED modes for the preset that you can set, you know, that comes with by default, you can use fixed, breathing, fading marquee, converting marquee, pulse, spectrum wave, alternating, tai chi, water cooler, loading, and they are like a reactive modes, smart and audio. So let's say if you listen to music, they can change the color with depends of the, you know, of the beat of the sound. And if you pick smart, it will be changing color from, because depends of the temperature that your GPU or CPU are getting, but it's gonna start changing from yellow to red, depend how hot is it. I also get the triple pack of the NZXT Air RGB2 fans, and besides that I have to buy another one single to install 3 on the top of my case and the other one in the back of the case. The triple pack comes with the Hue 2 control. When you connect everything needs to go to the Hue 2 to control the lighting and all the stuff. The memory RAM that I'm using is from CORSAIR Vengeance RGB Pro. They are DDR4, and I bought 32 gigabytes at 3200 megahertz. I also get an M.2 from Samsung. The one I get is the 970 EVO Plus with 500 gigabytes internal PCI Express 3.0. So that's the one I use for my Windows. I also bought two pack of extension for my power supply cables from THERMALTAKE with different colors. The hard drive that I'm using for storage all my things is a solid state drive from Samsung. The model is 860 EVO with 1 terabyte. The one I bought is the one is internal, not external. The processor that I'm using in my PC is the Intel Core i9 9900K. This is an octa-core and can go up to 5.0 gigahertz. It's turbo and it's unlocked. The graphic card that I'm using is from MSI. Is a GeForce RTX 2080, the Gaming X Trio. That one it's an 8 gigabyte and DDR6 PCI Express 3.0. And the last thing that I have is the motherboard. The motherboard that I get is from ASUS, and the model